based on what I need. Okay, what's cappuccino? Too much foam.
Yes.
What's latte? Less foam. Okay, so what we want to drink? Latte. We just move this. No busy, no order, middle. Cappuccino. We move it that way. Okay. Always keep it in the middle. Cafe latte. Cappuccino. Sorry, the opposite. Okay. Fine. Yeah. It's in the middle. Let's clear it. Okay. What are we gonna make now? Cappuccino. Let's do it. Cappuccino. What's cappuccino? Espresso and foam. And foam. So let's do it. Tell them. Come on, step in. Go ahead. Let's make cappuccino. Go ahead. Yes. Why you choose this one? Close it. Close it. Wait. We haven't done this yet. Okay? So let's just like operate it. Okay? This one, it has manual and it has automatic. This one, automatic. This one is manual. If you want to use the plus, you have to keep pressing it. Yes. This one, it comes automatic.
Capsules, don't
Yes.
put everything now. Two I will take, yeah. And take it to me.
Good to go. Yeah. This is the automatic one. Okay? You also can stop it anytime by pressing again. It's based on the cups you have. Okay? Perfect. Don't be scared. It's cappuccino. Let it be a little bit raised. Looks better. Okay? And even if you take it in tray, it's not gonna be dropping. Why? Because it's foam. Okay? Just taste.
Taste it.
Very good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's make latte. Can we make latte? Yalla you. Bring the cup. This is one good for latte. Yes. What's latte? Less firm. Okay. Where do you start? Consider it you heat it. Then, no. Latte, it has to go milk first. Yeah, go ahead.
Raj, you should try this one. Espresso. Oh my God. Ang asim. Ang asim.
Yes.
Naaasiman ako. Naaasiman ako sa
Where
kanya.
is it? Move it all the way.
Hindi ko alam baka dahil sa acid. Maasim. Naasiman ako. Di ba maasim? Napait. Naasiman ako sa kanya.
Wait. Do like 2/3. Always. Like get to the 2/3. Can you stop? بس يلا move it.
Ay, baliktad.
Lagi na ulo ba?
Ah, okay.
Don't worry. Please. Okay? If it's still less, Taste it. You guys need to taste the drink we make. Okay? Let's everyone make a drink.
Can I taste this one?
Where's the other machine? Can we play?
Santa Pantry.
Can we play? Everyone make a drink. Come on. Make a drink. Throw it. Make a drink. And guys, please, everyone finishing a drink, put this in the middle. Okay? Yalla, play with the drinks until I'm back the other one.
Okay.
You like it?
Hey. It's good?
Really good. This one. Latte.
Yan. Yan, masarap, masarap. Cappuccino. Hindi ba pwede kuya yung green doon? Ano yung green doon?
Sunday.
Yan yung organ. Ay, ito. Oh. Ano ito?
Kayo ata yan. Ito na eh.
Ano to?
Nespresso.
Espresso din?
Nespresso.
Nespresso.
Same lang ba yun? Nespresso, espresso.
Hindi ko alam, parang Nespresso kasi yun yung brand nila eh. Diba? Oh.
Tapos espresso naman.
Sana sinabi mo sa kanya, sir, mas masarap yung coffee bean namin sa Batangas.
Oo, yung pure cacao.
Oo, di ba?
Pure cocoa.